Okay, so good afternoon everyone. Today is Saturday, November 14, 2020. I think Ulysses has just left the country. I hope I'm correct. Anyway, it's just past 2 in the afternoon, and with me here is a package that I just received about a couple of minutes ago from Shopee. Alright, so we're gonna unbox this real quick. Let me get my unboxing knife right here. Clickety click, clickety click. I may need to change the blade. So let's remove this part because I think this is needed in case I need to make any claims or whatnot. There we go. I ordered this like on the 11th, and then I got it today. So I'll be leaving the link at the description so you would know where to get it or how to get it. So obviously it is bubble wrapped. Oh man, all that tape. Or should I just rip it all open, huh? Sometimes I'm trying to save the bubble wrap. Oh my goodness. Let's cut this thing right here. That's the tape. You know what? Let me just cut through it. Okay. Let me just cut through it right here. Cut this thing right here. There we go. There we go. Sorry if my video is a little shaky, but just so you know, I only have this monopod clamped to this plastic white seat, and I'm actually using a bed table on top of the chair. So here we are. This is the Makita impact wrench. So let me go ahead and open it. Let's first remove this table over here. There we go. And then open this latch right here. If you can see that, let's open the latch and the other latch. And let's pop it open. You guys ready?
Never mind.
Yeah. You guys ready? Whew, here we go. So right here we have the instruction manual. Okay. Instruction manual. And then we have the unit itself. Looks good. Something's coming off. What is this? Let's put it right there. So the markings are actually embossed, which is a good thing. And at the other side, you see that? It says Makita DTS141 72 volts. Made in Japan. You guys see that? Looks good, right? Has a nice firm grip. This is for your forward. See that? This is for your reverse. Just press that. I'll probably make a separate video for the testing. But right now we just need to unbox this. All right. So that's the main unit. All right. It's got this toggle right here, whatever you call it, strap. You can put your wrist or your hand inside while you're operating with it. Okay, I think there's a light right here, LED light. And then right here, we have a strap. Okay, you can strap it on your shoulder or something. Oh, and it comes with a free 22mm. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm only using my mobile phone for this. Let me try to zoom it. Oh, good. Hold on. Let's do this. How do you do that? Really sorry, guys. I'm using a simple cell phone. So there you see a 22 mm socket. All right. 22 mm socket. We have one battery that says 72 volts, lithium ion, 5.0 amperes, if that's what H stands for. We actually have two batteries of the same kind. Alright. And then along with that, we also of course have the charger itself, the charging unit. It says Makita charger and a couple of instruction guide right there. And then yeah, I think these are indicator lights. What's funny is that the charger is pretty light, right? And it uses the flathead plug. Okay, and the cable is kind of thin, kind of flimsy, but we'll find out. And we have an O-ring here. Wonder what this is for. Maybe we'll find out when we check out the manual. So inside the package again is we have two batteries. All right, two batteries, the strap, the O-ring, and the socket, the 22 mm socket, which is kind of heavy. I think you can just put the socket right here, and then the charger goes right here. I like it when this kind of carrying cases have their divisions. It's easier to use that way. There we go. And of course the unit itself and the user manual. Let's try real quick if this will work, if it's got juice in it. There we go. Then let's try real quick. Whew. Hear that? See those instructions right there? There, see that? There. Okay. So this is your forward. This is your forward. There we go. That's forward. That's forward. Then let's do reverse. It's like revving a motorcycle. Alright, I'm gonna enjoy using this. It's got this head right here. I think this thing is luminous or something. Bumper luminous kind of rubber thingy. And it's got that LED right there. So yeah, so that's it for today. Again, that's the unboxing of the Makita DTS141. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button, hit subscribe, or also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified in case I have new videos. If you have any questions, put it in the comments down below. Alright, I don't know where I'm pointing, but you know the drill. Alright, so let's put this all back together like that. Close it. And I like that it's got these holes. I think you can put a padlock on this one right here. Oh, I think the strap goes here. It goes here. Okay, it goes. You can strap it from here to here. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye. Peace.